Dear students of MSc Final, I welcome you. Today's my topic is the conservation of plants. First of all, I would like to explain what is the in vitro conservation. There are two terms. In vitro means in the flask, in the glasswares, or you can say in the laboratory. Another word is in vivo, means we are conserving the plant in the natural habitat, in the field. So today I would like to talk with you in vitro conservation. Conserve or to preserve, to protect the plants for future. Best example is gene banks. Okay, the plant part like leaf, stem, seed, which is vegetatively propagated or sexually propagated, are conserved in the artificial culture medium, in the flask or the test tube, in the controlled environmental conditions. This is the biotechnological exercise. The scientists are performing various experiments and conserving the different useful plants in the culture medium. In vitro culture medium is very useful. Within a very short period, they multiplied the number of plantlets. There is there is a tree. It took about 1 year and more than 1 year for the seed production, and the new plantlet comes after 2 to 3 years. So this technique or this way of conservation is very fast in control conditions by control like pressure, humidity, temperature, or the cultural medium, or the light or other chemicals we provide for the plant part or the tissue. You can say this is the type of tissue culture technique. Or okay, then by this method we can kept the plantlet or the genetic material for the long time. You can store for the long time, so they are preserved for future. We are in world, various countries are performing this technique, in vitro conservation, to protect the plant or to produce the plantlet in a very short duration. Now, where it is used? It is used in the area where the plants are named in the red data book, or the plant species are going to be endangered. So for their preservation, we use this technique to save the plant or to protect the plant to be endangered. The largest national in vitro collections are held in two countries in the world, Brazil and the Argentina. There appear to be very few in vitro gene banks in Africa. This is a very, very important thing. The GK question rises. Okay. Then when it should be used? In vitro techniques of, for example, cassava conservation should be used whenever technical expertise, facilities, and operating budget are available. They are generally more economical and less risky in the long-term perspective. as compared to the field collections. Usually activities initiates with the use of traditional tissue culture technique, mostly for the elimination of pests and disease, also using the meristem and thermotherapy techniques, and the exchange and dissemination of the germplasm. So you can say the in vitro conservation is the conservation or the preservation of the germplasm of the economically important plants or the species which are going to be endangered. The uses of this technique, in vitro technique, to conserve the vegetative plant part of the cassava, for example cassava germplasm, to conserve the plantlet that result from the embryo, rescue of seeds where may be especially useful for the mild minute species whose seeds are very difficult to be germinate, as viable alternative to complement and reduce the large size required for the field banks, to reduce the space requirement and eliminate the possibility of losses due to the edaphic and the climatic factors. Two of the major sources of the losses in the field gene banks, one is to duplicate the field bank, another is to replace the field banks. To allow the national and international germplasm exchange, this germplasm can be easily export or import from the country and to the country, to assure more secure conservation of the germplasm for the future. So these are the importance of this in vitro conservation. And it is not only this, is also very useful to minimize the cost, labor and energy and time, and it doesn't require very difficult or large infrastructure. In a room we can culture the plantlets. If there are other functions that can be shared by the cassava in vitro laboratory gene bank, there will be considerable saving through more efficient use of the space, labor and supply and the management. Now the next is how should it be done. Very important points, pay your attention. It requires specialized laboratories and equipment with very skilled technicians and the researchers. A simple man cannot be perform this in vitro culture. A trained person can be, because the scientific methodology is applied to carry out this work. It also requires adaptive technology for some more difficult species. It requires sterile conditions and very well controlled artificial growth environment. It requires high initial investment but relatively low maintenance cost in a long term perspective. In vitro conservation can be more efficient and cost effective if the laboratory form the part of the conservation strategies involving the other crops. In vitro conservation may be more efficient and cost effective if the laboratory forms parts of a system that also works with the in vitro techniques of the pest or pathogen cleaning and the rapid multiplication. So dear students, you think that this is the biotechnological techniques very important. Most of the countries of the world are following to develop the plantlets very quickly within the time. They are protecting the plants from the pests or insects. They are minimizing the use of pesticide or insecticide. They are conserving the plant for future. They are conserving the germplasm for the production, for the multiplication and to increase the productivity of the plantlets. So I think this is a general introduction of the conservation. Before that, I have already sent a PDF of 50 pages for the in vitro conservation of the horticultural plants. So I hope it must be very clear for you, and you are certainly reading the PDFs, and regularly I will send the videos. I will try to make the clear. After that, if you have any problem, you can send your question related with the topic and the video. I will try to solve out your problems. And okay, thank you very much.